Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 6 latest defense updates. Number 1, F-15EX to break US fighter jet stalemate. The race for India's massive multi-role fighter aircraft MRFA tender is heating up, with the Pentagon making a strong push for Boeing F-15EX fighter jet. This comes as the US seeks to break into the Indian fighter jet market, which has remained largely elusive for American manufacturers for the past 70 years. Pentagon officials are keenly aware of the IAF's lukewarm reception to the F-21 fighter jet, seen as minor upgrade of the F-16V. Next, aiming on F414 engine TOT for Gripen E advantage. Saab India is aiming to leverage the transfer of technology for local manufacturing of F414 engines by HAL from GE Aerospace as a key advantage in its bid for the Indian Air Force medium multi-role fighter aircraft tender. The strategic importance lies in the fact that the Gripen E fighter jet offered by Saab also utilizes the same 4GE39E turbofan engine developed by GE. Next, advancing co-production of GE F414 engines. India and the United States have taken significant strides in advancing priority co-production projects, including the crucial GE F414 engines, which is set to power India's next-generation Tejas Mk2 aircraft. This collaboration marks a significant step in enhancing India's defense capabilities while strengthening the strategic partnership between the two nations. Next, Rudram I could be India's R-37M VLRAM. Throughout the ongoing conflict in Ukraine, Russian fighter jets have demonstrated their effectiveness and lethality, especially near the front lines. Among the most formidable aircraft in the Russian arsenal are the Su-35S and the MiG-31BM, equipped with advanced long-range air-to-air missiles. The Su-35S, armed with the R-77I missile, and the MiG-31BM carrying the R-37M missile have proven to be significant threats to Ukrainian aircraft. According to the recent studies, these long-range missiles, particularly the R-37M, have shown remarkable success against these Ukrainian fighter planes, establishing Russian air superiority in many contested areas. Next, ISRO's HAVA vehicle, a report. The ISRO has reached significant milestone in the development of its hypersonic air-breathing vehicle with airframe integrated scramjet. This ambitious project aims to enhance India's capabilities in hypersonic flight technology, a critical area of research with profound implications for both civilian and defense applications. Recent advancement in the HAVA project highlight ISRO's continued progress towards realizing this cutting-edge technology. Next, sea trials commences for INS Nilgiri. A significant milestone was achieved in the Indian Navy's modernization efforts as the lead ship of the P-17A frigate class INS Nilgiri embarked on its maiden sea trial. This momentous event marks the culmination of years of dedicated work by the Indian Navy, the Ministry of Defense, and the MDL. Thank you.